Hello again, welcome to my channel. I'm Angela from artery.co.uk. We are looking today at Gilding flakes. These are the only ones I have. They came in a bundle, so I didn't buy them particularly, and I have to tell you now, this will be the last time I use Gilding flakes. I've learned something about myself. I do not like them. I am sure other people have differences of opinion, and I would absolutely love to hear them, but I find them messy. They fly about everywhere. They're not so much difficult to use as such, but I find there's nothing I can do with Gilding flakes that I can't do with glitter or embossing powder. Like I say, I welcome differences of opinion, so please let me know how you find them. But these are the Spectrum Noir Luxury Gilding flakes, Lilac Pool. So I have, as you can see, it's on my nails, it's on my hands, it's still on my mat. It's a nightmare to clean up. But anyway, I'm going to show you just, I think, 3 ways to use them, and you can make up your own mind. So the first thing I should explain is that to use these, you have to have a sticky surface, or else they won't stick. So, and there are different ways to use them from what I'm going to show you here. This is just an introduction to Gilding flakes. I'll show you what they look like carefully, because if you breathe wrong, if you have the aircon on, if you cough or sneeze, they are going to fly everywhere. So that's what they're like, and they are beautiful. There's absolutely no doubt about that. I've seen people mostly use gold ones, and they are gorgeous. They do give a lovely effect, but I'm not a big fan of using them myself, I'm afraid. So the first way I'm going to show you, starting already with a mess, is just with plain double-sided sticky tape. So you just tear a bit off, put it where you like, give it a burnish. This is not going to be perfect, this is literally just to show you different ways that you can use them. Take it off, take off the top, and you just take the flakes, just pop them on, and you just rub them in. That's it. You can reuse them, so whatever you don't use, just pop back into the jar and you can just keep reusing them. So they are quite cost effective in that sense, that you can reuse them and you can burnish them using your finger, and I think you can get special brushes and things that you can use with them. You can see how messy they are. I mean, perhaps I'm doing it wrong. But anyway, that's one way you can use them. Oh, I must be doing something wrong because nobody else seems to have this trouble. Okay, another way is to use a glue pen, preferably one that dries tacky. So what you can do is you can draw around a sticker, you can draw your own little pictures, it's entirely up to you. I'm just going to draw a little heart. Yeah, that pen seems to be on its last legs, but you get the idea. So if you have a glue pen, you can stamp something on it. You could draw around the stamp with your glue pen, and it's great if it dries tacky, because then you've got plenty of time to fill in what you're doing. That's another way to use it. Another way is, see, it's just going everywhere. I don't even know why I'm using this. I'm going to put this away because I am going to be using my heat gun, and that just will blow everything everywhere. I'm not even going to bother tidying up yet, I'll just do it to the end, wait until the end. So, sticky embossing ink. Ow. I'm just going to use clear embossing powder. I'm not being too careful here. This is just literally to show you a couple of methods that you can use. I'm just going to heat this up now. Right, and if you're fast enough, you can stick some flakes on. Burnish them well down with your finger. This gives quite a nice subtle look. I do quite like this, but it's still not worth it to me because of the mess. So you can see there, or can you? I'll see if I can move my light over so you can see properly. I don't know if you can see that. It does give it quite a nice subtle look, but it's entirely up to you. I'd be very, very interested to know what you think. But that's just 3 ways that you can use them. So you could even stamp it and then go around the edges with your glue pen, like a tacky glue pen, and then you could just take your time filling in the details that you want. But even though it does give a nice effect, I still actually prefer glitter or embossing powder because it is far less hassle. But anyway, I'm not sure if anybody found this useful because it was mainly me complaining the whole time. But please do let me know your thoughts and comments. I'd be very, very interested in your opinions and your experience if you've used gilding flakes before. One thing I did want to mention was that when I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to start having giveaways as thanks. And this potentially will be among them because I can't imagine a time when I will ever be using this again. So possibly these and some other things that I have that I don't really use, I should be giving away. So stick around. When I start reaching my 1,000 subscriber mark, just keep popping back and I'll be looking to put things like this, possibly like this, in the giveaways that I will be doing. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a great day now. Bye bye.